Littles actually was inspired by our daughter, Jordy. It was last summer that we were at the park, and I still remember this moment super vividly where Jordan was standing on top of the slides and she had her chest puffed up in the most authentic, most brattiest way that is ready to conquer the world. And for me and Cass, that was a moment that was so pure, full of joy, full of fun, simplicity, and just pure happiness. What's so special about Web3 is that we get to be able to harness a community of like-minded individuals who actually believe in the same values that we believe in, and the way that we built the project based around fun, simple, and being authentic. And with that essence, it allows us to be creative and be bold in what we want to create and bring to the world through the different experiences, through the merch line, telling stories, and that's something that we're really excited about.
You know, when we do something right and they love it, it gives us energy to do more. And case in point is our season 1 merchandise.
For us, it was an experiment, and we knew we wanted to deliver an experience that is outside of online. We wanted people to feel it, to touch it, which is the reason why we spent so much time and effort in all the minor details. We were super overwhelmed by the response because people actually appreciated all the little details. They see it, and yeah, we were blown away by it, and which gave us so much validation to be like, you know what, season 2, we're gonna tell a better story, deliver a better experience, and here we are.
Our vision for season 2 was really designed around the connections that you make, the support system that you have. And it's important because when things get really tough, it's the people who are around you who can help get you through it all. And that's why season 2 line is really inspired by you and me.
And I think that when times are tough, a lot of people tend to feel like they're the only one in the battle. They feel lonely. And this theme is to remind people that we are there for them, just like how they're there for us, and to really honor our community, and it's like something that we're creating for them. Which is why every single piece that we have tells a story. We've got your back, for example, showing them that despite anything that happens, we are a community that is being held together by our core values, that as long as we operate like this, we've got your back. The vinyl toy piece is something that actually has been in the works for 6-7 months now, and that is to honor our daughter, Jordy, and that very Genesis moment of when she was standing on top of the slide, puffing out her chest, and that's the detail that we want to capture.
I'm stoked about season 2. Only because I feel like we're taking the learnings that we have from season 1 and then applying it into season 2, so it'll only get better and better.
The blood, sweat, tears that we put into the work, like working until like 1 a.m. just to get the perfect design. All the details is something that we've got, and now we're refining it. We saw what worked in season 1, we elevated it, and now we put everything that we have into season 2. And it is just the biggest passion project for us.
Dare I say season 2 is the best collection we've launched?
Hands down.